What are my people? In case I'm meeting me for the first time, I go by the name MC Banu, so the comedy son of comedy, Israel talkative, online Zaddy. And I'm here on the entertainment crib with
Magalicious baby one.
So my people, the matter will carry come now about the Ooni of Ife. You know, say Ooni of Ife, matter of the trend about 2-3 months now, which is that Agbas goes everywhere. So now, recently Ooni of Ife just tied the knot with Olori Mariam officially now. Like she's officially the queen of the Ooni of Ife. So now the ex-wife, the ex-Olori, the ex-queen of Ooni of Ife, Queen Shile Kwanla, she already talk about some matter online now. Say because she posted about the divorce 9 months ago. That was like December. So the matter, now, as the matter be, recently about 3 or 4 days ago, she don't delete the post on her Instagram page. She still dey bear the title, say she still be the queen of Ooni of Ife. So now she know they will find people wey be say go help her beg the Ooni of Ife. Who say the matter that they even turn around. People call it like, what happened? Why did you delete the divorce? You announce it yourself. So why did it come be like that now? We say you can't beg. I don't know. I don't understand. After so why we say now we say Ooni of Ife. It is Ooni go dey like depressed as you live in. No, now you're not supposed to be like that. Women are plenty for this world. For the population of this world, women are plenty pass. So even some country they dash. If you not married 3, you are not married. Now 3 you must marry. Now you dey for the constitution for that country. So now you as you live, women plenty everywhere. Show now Ooni is a big man. So what do you take him for? So you don't continue. So but no worries, you can message me on Instagram. Go. I just help you beg. So I've been with you need to talk for this matter.
My people leave permission. The one you said, women plenty.
Abi,
women now they see where they outside now. Everybody get what you want. But I want to start from relationship. Relationship as a whole, both the man, both the woman. But once you don't tell person say I'm taking a walk. If you tell person say you are taking a walk, should be the walk now make the worker they go front. Wetin make you where the worker they come back? Why you look back? Wetin you want come find for back? You already make up your mind that you want to take your walk. Wetin no favor you, should be na make take your walk. You taking the walk. Now you dey send people to go beg Ooni of Ife. So now you realize say that title where you get, then you very important. So you want the title, you still want maintain to the title. You won't go back. Shame now don't they catch you now. Abi you not get shame say if I dey send people to go meet this man now waiting him go start to. And now the same person will be say indoor he don't beg you, talk to you as wife. Why you won't go? Because I believe say before you go say you don't take a walk. As a husband, the husband will won't calm you down. Maybe you just feel say I won't if I go. What they say
you are feeling too big.
Now who want depression to kill her, now they kill her. If you don't want time, you go come out from your side. So Ooni just decide, so okay, he say why I go leave make this depression come hold me at the king where I be. Wetin I need now make I just find myself. Wetin you know one another person want am. That thing when you know like if you see person wey like am, man, if you can't grab that thing where you know like, you will come back. They find it because that thing maybe you get one girl where don't they tell you say guy, I not just like you for no reason because I don't know. Wetin be the reason? No go tell you the reason. But you go get another girl wey be say you go just deal with, as in you go feel cold where you dey since. Why be say I no meet you since? So once you don't meet that kind of person, why you want to think about your past? You continue your life. Person where they make you, give you joy, give you everything. And imagine now Naomi now that person will be say hold mouth, get mouth. When name way popular, join name way popular as the things they be. So you don't feel jealous now. You got nowhere to go. Naomi has taken over the place. She is not the queen. And you cannot chase her out because she knows her right. If I say you get to self, let me say you go chase her. Fully she's married to Ooni of Ife. And you not get any place to enter. Sure. There is no house for you again because I don't believe Ooni of Ife go won't collect you back. Last. Now, person see the door where they wait.
So, Queen Shile Kwanla, please, you just have to, take heart. Or if you still really love Ooni of Ife, true, also you still want to maintain the name, just go to Ife, find a daily person wey be say for go follow you go meet.
You don't already send people now.
So I pray you find peace. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give you feedback on top of this one. Majority don't tell me for no cause correct. Just stay tuned. We'll see you on Entertainment Crib.
Please
Peace
like,
out.
subscribe and share to our YouTube channel.